Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. New quick feature. You can now upload Kajabi email templates onto Funneltopia, which over here, as you can see under traffic, emails, templates. If you click new and then import email, you can see here that you already had the capability from MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, and now you can do Kajabi as well. It's pretty simple. Like it says here, like the instructions are pretty straightforward, but you select Kajabi, it will give you an email address over here, right? You copy it, and what you do is send a copy of that Kajabi email in that backend to this email address. It's like a test email, and the system will import it for you. So yeah, once you do that, when you hit continue, it'll detect the email, and then on the next step, it will show up as a, hey, this is the email. You just kind of have to confirm it, and this is like, you can rename it, you can edit it, and all that stuff, right? So it's pretty straightforward. Go check it out if you have a Kajabi account as well, right? This is kind of a niche thing, right? You're switching over from Kajabi to Funneltopia, but this is a really quick and easy. So yeah, if you're ever in this situation, go check it out. And if you have any other questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, click down here below. 24/7 chat support. Check in with us. Let us know what questions you have. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And also, if you're a VIP client, then you can just click here and schedule a call if you have any bigger issues than just like a quick question, right? You need like one-on-one attention. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.